How to register your billing address on Vanilla Visa. To register a billing address on your Vanilla Visa gift card, you must visit the official website or call the customer service number on the back of your card. In order to do it online, you have to visit vanillaprepaid.com. So open up any browser you have, type in Vanilla Prepaid, and log in to your account. Once you tap open the link, this is where the interface will take you. So basically what you could do is you could simply go ahead and add in a card number, month, expiry date, CV, all that stuff. And then you could just go ahead and follow the answering prompt. In some cases, you might also be asked to log in, and you could just go ahead and select manage card or check balance. Provide the 16-digit card number, all that stuff, and look for a section or a link to register a card or add edit billing address. Next, you have to enter your full legal name and current physical residential address as well. You could save your changes to complete the process. It may take up to 24 hours for the information to fully reflect in some merchant system. So this way, you're supposed to register your billing address on Vanilla Visa. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.